In this quick video, you'll learn how to create your digital persona using Inrō, a virtual character that interacts directly with your audience on Instagram. Imagine giving your fans a fun and interactive way to connect, ask questions, and experience your brand or story in an entirely new way. Whether you're an author bringing characters to life, a creator crafting unique experiences, or a brand aiming to deepen audience relationships, your digital persona is your key to setting yourself apart. Let's set this up step by step. Step 1. Customizing your persona. Your digital persona represents your brand's voice, personality, and values. So we'll begin by curating it thoroughly. To do this, log in to your Inrō account, navigate to AI Agent section in the side menu, and then click on the Settings tab to start shaping your character. Here we are going to set your digital persona's name and choose a memorable identity. Define your virtual character by entering engaging details such as name and backstory, key personality traits, and signature phrases. Also, write a supporting brief description to help the AI embody your persona authentically. Make sure to be creative. The only limit is your imagination. Finally, select the tone of voice, upbeat, neutral, or formal, and the response styles to match your audience. Step 2 is to test and refine your persona. Before going live, it's important to ensure your digital persona interacts naturally and matches your expectations. For this, we go to the test chat and will interact directly with your AI character. Try various sample interactions, ask common questions, prompt storytelling, and check how it handles challenging topics. Review the responses carefully for things like naturalness, brand alignment, and accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments or upload additional training materials in the settings to refine its interactions further. Finally, step 3, activate your digital persona. Once you're satisfied with how your digital persona interacts, it's time to activate it. Simply navigate to the activation section in your AI agent settings. Switch on your digital persona to start engaging automatically with your followers. Congratulations! Your digital persona is now live, responding to DMs, engaging with your audience, providing fun answers, and driving meaningful conversations. All day, every day.